What's going on, everybody? My name is Chase, as you guys know, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. And if you guys follow me on social media, then you would have already known about this kinda, but I recently got a off-road X-Pipe, pipes to be exact, for the Mustang. Before, it just had a custom muffler delete from like a muffler shop, so now obviously it doesn't have those cats anymore, so it's in a cold start, but you can go ahead and hear it. Alright, that was literally 2,000 and 4,000 RPM. It's super loud now and I love it. By the way, I've got 203,000 miles on this freaking Mustang. It's ridiculous. Yeah, by the way, I got a Raxiom tail light from a junkyard. So currently, big difference. Obviously, the Gen5s are way better. Oh, by the way, I guess you guys saw me holding this, but it's 4th of July. So, you know, what other way? Alright, well, I'm gonna get out of this unknown location because a bunch of cops just passed by, actually. And I believe it was to a wreck down the road I saw, but still, might as well get out of here. Okay, well, I forgot to do an outro for that video, so now I'm doing it right now. But sorry about, you know, the shortness of the video and, you know, the not that good of burnout for 4th of July. But I did want to say happy 4th of July. And also, check out this freaking place behind my great-grandma's. They're building a new neighborhood or something. That's pointless, though. Trying to see if we can see some fireworks, but it's whatever. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Obviously, the burnout wasn't that great, and by the way, those cop lights, if you couldn't tell, were from a wreck down the road. Didn't get busted, thank God. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.